Hello everyone, it's Oksana and welcome to my vintage kitchen. I'm going to make not one but two amazing salads with fennel today. One with orange, one with apple. Let's see which one is better. For fennel and apple salad, cut fennel bulbs in half lengthwise. 3 more feathery green leaves. You can reserve them for garnish if you wish. Slice fennel very finely. Place fennel slices in a bowl. Quarter apples, remove cores. Cut apple quarters in thin slices. Add apple slices and nuts to fennel. In a small bowl, combine mayo and orange juice until smooth. Season it with salt and pepper. Pour your dressing over salad. Toast to coat with dressing. For the orange and fennel salad, slice fennel very finely. Place the sliced fennel in a salad bowl. Slice oranges to divide flesh sections and add to the bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and red wine vinegar. Add salt and pepper. Toast top with sweetened cranberries. Okay guys, our salads are ready. Let's see which one I love better. Let's see guys. The one with apple, I really love it. It has this crunch, it has this native flavor. The only downside is with mayo, but hey, rest of it is healthy. Let's see the other one. The other one is very good as well. It's with olive oil. I suggest you use some flavored vinegar, some good balsamic vinegar for this salad. Some fruity, I use the pomegranate vinegar. It gives this extra little flavor. Both of them are nice, both of them are healthy. They're great for winter because winter time we don't have that much fruits and vegetables, and this one full of vitamin C, what we need for cold winter days. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.